Daniel, and I'm with Frontier Capital Group. I made this quick video to help you guys out if you're a small business or independent contractor to get that the infamous PPP program from the SBA round two, and we can help you get approved in a couple of days and not weeks. Okay, so we're talking about round two. Okay, so why are we doing this? Basically, we're giving back and helping small businesses get approved in as little as 1 to 3 days, and there's no charge to help you through this process, okay, to get you that request. What's going on? Right now, the banks are overwhelmed with applications, but we're able to hook up with a small financial company, institution, to get your loans approved over to the SBA, okay? So we can help you get that done. Now, with the SBA PPP loan, you get up to $10 million, and we get you approved as little as 1 to 3 days, like I said before. And once that's done, your loans are funded within 1 to 10 days afterwards. Now, the loan amount should be 2.5 times your monthly payroll. And now, in order for you to qualify with this, you have to, once you get approved, you need to open an account with this financial institution after your SBA confirmation. Now, the loans will be funded, will be transferred to this account, and after that, you have the option to wire the funds out to your regular account or whatever account you want, okay? Once that's done. Now let's look at the different ways of doing this. Now, it depends what type of business you are. For example, if you're an established business, you need to have these following documents: the all 2009s and 2020 941s, your W-3 from 2019, your articles of incorporation and organization, your most recent federal tax returns, a copy of your driver's license, and a schedule of outstanding SBA and/or student loans. Now, for a new business, you need to have your 2020 monthly payroll, your articles of incorporation or organization, your most recent federal tax returns, like your driver's license also, and a schedule of outstanding SBA or student loans. Now, if you're a seasonal business, you have to have your 2019 and 2020 monthly payroll reports, your articles of incorporation or organization, your most recent federal tax returns, your driver's license, and the schedule of your outstanding SBA or student loans. Okay. Now, for independent contractors, you have to have your 2019 and 2020 bank statements, your articles of incorporation or organization, or your first invoice or contract, since you're an independent contractor, your most recent federal tax returns, a copy of your driver's license, and a schedule of your outstanding SBA or any other student loans. Now, what are the next steps you have to do? Now, the first thing is to go to this website, getfunded.club/PPP. Now, fill out that form. It's very basic, especially your basic contact information. Once you fill out that form, you'll be redirected to another website and explains their entire process. On top, you will find a video that gives you a detailed walkthrough of how to apply for the PPP paycheck, okay? Please follow the instructions to a key and complete the application. Have all your supporting documents ready. At the bottom of that website, you will see the formal application for the SBA loans and some other documents they will need, okay? Now, if you have any questions, you can also contact me at daniel@frontiercapgroup.com or schedule a discovery call at danielscalendar.com, okay? And stay safe, everybody. Take care.